guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Pegasus Technologies. Today we are introducing our new product which is PS1600 scanner. Our scanner can scan both 1D laser scanning and 2D QR codes. It is made with high quality dimensions and very lightweight, which is easy to carry. It is wireless scanner which we can connect with dongle or Bluetooth. Its scan engine made with image scanner CMOS. We can scan barcodes manually. It is made with Type-C interface, you can see, and with charging cable. After 2 hours of charging, we can use it for 3 days as its battery backup. This scanner we can use it in groceries, retail stores, shopping malls, apparel stores, warehouses and logistics for inventory management system. We can use this scanner with Android POS machine or Windows POS machine. Now I am going to give you a demo with Android POS machine that how this scanner will work.